Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabenta ke jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, new scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na benta ke jingpuli ke jingseo ka baret but hila ban legu ban puli da ke education loan. Hila ruban syukola hu number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, ar riu khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit ha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Kejaintia Eastern College Cleariat barga Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong haringkat kejinga trelang barga Kerman Foundation barga Kejaintia Hills Cement Manufacture Association kila pelong ya Red Ribbon Club Youth Festival Arja Apulai halor kapang Be Inspire Own Your Future hakani kata masalah shimatarik Samla puli barga Khynnah Skul naghinyaw tuli ki college, bat naghinyaw tuli ki school, jong ka East, bat ka West Jaintia Hills District. Yakani ka tamasa ka belalong hak arpa pra bat ka arpa kandai tarik unai tung arja apulai. Hal Jaintia Eastern College Cleariat, na pelipat bat du Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Jaintia Hills, u Abhilash Baranwal, u belalong ko mukongsan. Hakini ki arsngi la pelong ki jingya ko baper, kuntup ka Abhif Yakti, Red Show, ka RCC Quiz Competition, ka Marathon, Red Run, bat ka Flash Mob. Hakas ngis dang jong ni kata masa la pelong ke jing elak kai drama bat ke jing pencai pat ba halo ke jing ada bat ban penduna ya ke jing sapriang bat ke jing purstat jong knyang jing pang HIV AIDS bala ai jing batai de ke kong rini bat patalong ka balong ke program manager jong ke MCSWA TICC Cleariat
will determine the kind of society that you are going to live in. It's not a favor that you will be doing to anyone. If you guys decide that okay, we will study hard, we'll make a life for ourselves. It's not only going to impact you, but it is going to impact your family. Ultimately, it will shape the kind of society you will live in. Because the society is made of individuals, we often blame our society that, yeah, this is the kind of society we are born in. We can't really help much. There is no opportunity. Or, let's say, these are the social levels that we that are present in the society and we were born into it. I personally cannot do anything about it. But the society is always made of individuals. In your zone of influence, if you decide that okay, I'll introduce certain changes within my zone of influence, you are aiding and shaping the society. And this is where today's program, Mission Hope, all these integrated health campaigns, etc. come into picture. To try and create a society in which AIDS remains a very marginal disease and is not able to infect any person new.
Hawa em gini gibru kiwa em HIV positif hayung kiwan kitiar kiwa penmisna mo kam gini gi blet kitmai mo kitundra itu em kamu penem kami lebejong entah uti jadi hendrai beto ongi prevention no ongi prevention is better than cure letei daw em kami u penem kami jar gini gi tiar kiwa penmisna hayung hasem kam taman lai asnyo gini gi sulum lemo itu le untuk penem kami kita tunjuk baikah belit em kami yo betul wa gigi de kemudian slice ini de belit kiwa dan keme mo kita to em kami kejing yada mo kita to ke prevention di route of transmission yang ka to so teki handrai ke chen to gigi wa mohoi uya hawarak giwan ki kencas nam em snam to usah bidagi gelap semua